Not many vehicles allow you to build a full Lego set on your commute to work. Aloha, I'm Peter. I'm a senior model maker at Zoox, and this is Fiona, and this is Flo. Fiona's my ride or die. She's a 1963 Ford Falcon club wagon. Whether it's surfing, camping, music festivals, she's always by my side. So this is Flo, this is Fiona's sister. She is a 1965 Ford Econoline pickup. I really love the body style. You don't see cars like this on the road anymore, so give me a wave next time you see me on the street. Welcome to my workshop. This is where I get to be creative. I've been a builder since I was a kid. My dad was a woodworker, cabinet maker, organically absorbed some of that knowledge from him. Now, let's go see where the real magic happens. You know, my career path has been anything but a straight line, from automotive design to welding, and that's what drew me to Zoox, is that we're building something completely new from the ground up, and I wanted to be a part of that. Here at Zoox, I produce prototype components for vehicle development. That means building physical models that help test and validate our designs. One of my favorite tools here at Zoox is Bethany, our 7-axis milling robot. She gets her name from Bethany Hamilton, who's a surfer from Hawaii who lost her arm in a shark attack but still competes on the World Championship Tour. Today, we're going to be machining a seat for our ID team. Let's fire her up and see what she does. What I love most about Zoox is the variety of work that I see. We are building the future of transportation alongside some of the best and brightest in the industry. That being said, it doesn't mean that you have to give up your classic ride.